I'm David Hurrion, and I'd love you to join us on our next gardener's retreat to beautiful Lippiano, this wonderful countryside on the Umbrian-Tuscan border. During our week we go and visit some beautiful gardens, we see wonderful wildflowers, and we visit the most beautiful hilltop villages that Umbria and Tuscany have to offer.
I'm Sarah Cuttle. I'll be here in Lippiano, this beautiful countryside, to help our guests get the best out of taking their photographs, whether that's with a digital SLR or a smartphone. There's beautiful orchids, there's beautiful wildflowers, and we look at the best way to get some lovely plant portraits and a few ideas and a few hints and tips that I've picked up in my career. Not only that though, we've got this incredible landscape around us, and so we want to use that as well, getting the essence of Italy, and we can have a fun time enjoying the beautiful landscape and these fantastic wildflowers that are all around us at this time of year.
So, join me, David Hurrion, and photographer Sarah Cuttle to come out to Italy for the trip of a lifetime.